Hello! What I love about being a woman is God has given us the ability to nurture anything. May it be yung task, may it be yung people, may it be any aspect of our life. God has given us the eyes, the love, the patience to make it grow and to improve yung mga bagay-bagay na pinagkatiwala ng Lord. To my dear fellow woman, patuloy nating patatagin ang ating pananampalataya sa Panginoon. Patuloy nating matagpuan na ang value natin ay hindi sa mga tao or experiences, achievements na meron tayo, kundi our identity, our value is found in Christ. You are precious, you are beautiful, you are loved, and the Lord has prepared the best for you. So keep on thriving, keep on doing what the Lord has called you to do. And also to everyone, I encourage you to like, share, follow, and subscribe our Facebook account, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram.